Hey everybody, a little video here from Panama City Beach, Florida, Gulf Coast side. Get out here and do a little snorkeling in the ocean, and it's really hot. Hopefully the water will be clear. It's really sunny, so hopefully we'll get to see some cool stuff. And yeah, give you a little preview to see what it looks like at Panama City. There you go. All right, let's get it. And back above water here, I wanted to show this school of minnows that's just making a complete circle pretty much all around. So they were, I don't know, hundreds and just kind of hanging out. Once we kind of went underwater, then they started taking off and swimming pretty fast, going in different directions. But gonna go back under here and check them out. So of course, Panama City Beach has a banana boat. You can see up there in the distance, banana boat pulling in and going to unload and load back up for another round. But in this next clip, if you listen to the music there, it's the ice cream truck music. But instead of ice cream truck, this was an ice cream boat. And you can't really see it, but off in the distance there, the ice cream boat was pulling in. I was going to pull up shore right where the banana boat kind of docks, and you could go up there and get ice cream. Thought it was really cool. Never seen that before. And finally got the drone up. Didn't really take it out much. The beach was really, really busy most of the days, and so I really wanted to wait till it was kind of a little less crowded. So finally got it out and got it up, 150 feet, just enough so you can really see the aqua green blue of the water of the Gulf. The clarity is just, it's amazing. So just come west here past Pineapple Willie's, the restaurant bar that's kind of looks like a pier, but just gonna head here west on the beach. You can kind of see a couple of the boats there that were loaded up with doing the speed rides, and the wind was really light, good, easy day. The cameras, everything was really steady, so it was a good day to fly it. Just going to go down the beach here and try to follow those guys for a little bit, turn back and circle back up, going east, and you can get a good visual of the water, I think, and the beach side and some of the oceanfront properties there at PCB. So enjoy. So that's it for a day on the beach at Panama City Beach. Walking back here to our condo that we stayed at, Laketown Wharf. You walk right under Pineapple Willie's restaurant, bar. You got this private little walkway to go back to Laketown Wharf. You see there in the background, big, huge condo place. Got a couple pools up top, really nice place. This is the parking lot here for Pineapple Willie's. See the sign coming up, it'll advertise the Wicked Wheel restaurant and Pineapple Willie's, both pretty cool places. Easy to get to if you stay there at Laketown Wharf. Also wanted to include just a quick picture here of the old MTV compound that was shut down and deserted. So you see that there. It's all barricaded off, can't get in there. It's been sitting forever. Big shout out to Al, if Al's watching this, I hear you. And yeah, gonna close out this video here, a couple shots of Laketown Wharf at night, and appreciate watching. Thanks, and may try to do another video or two if I have time. I did have kind of a lot of footage from PCB trip, so again, thanks for watching, and catch you next time.